Hi, welcome to the module on firms and production. So interesting, we now pivoted away from consumer theory and now moving to firm or production theory. And so in this chapter we're going to ready to cover this module, we'll first look at who owns the firms and how they're managed. We'll also learn about production, how goods are produced, transferring inputs into output. And this production process differs whether we're talking about the short run, where at least one input can't be changed, one input is fixed, the other one is variable. Whereas the long run, we'll look at production there, where all your inputs, both their inputs, are considered to be variable. We'll also measure the productivity of our production functions using something called returns to scale. There'll be three cases of returns to scale. It can be increasing, decreasing, or constant. So all of these are nuts and bolts of firms and production theory. Very interesting stuff. Of course, the objective of a firm, profit maximization. So throughout, profit maximization is at everything, the basis of everything the firm does. Firm wants to be as efficient as possible, use its inputs, labor and capital primarily are inputs that we discuss. Use these the best way it can, and we'll show you how firms go about being most efficient. And there's many parallels to consumer theory, where consumers had a budget constraint and they were maximizing their utility, choosing their optimal bundles. Very similar here for a firm. Firm has a budget constraint. We call it a cost curve or ISO cost curve. A firm also has preferences, and these are indifference curves, and this tangency is critical, and we'll get to that tangency point where they're going to choose their optimal input combinations. But that's all ahead of you. A lot of good stuff. Get excited talking about firms. I hope you do too. Enjoy the firm discussion, and yeah, watch the next few videos. It should help you, and we'll wrap it up with a summary video as well. Good luck.